Dear students, now let us learn how to solve equations which are not linear equations, but it can be reduced to a pair of linear equations. Now let us do exercise 3.6. The first question, that is, solve the given equation by reducing it to linear equation. In this, the first one, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and the second equation is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. As you can see, both the equations are not linear equations, but we can reduce it to pair of linear equation in two variables. Now how do we reduce it? Now here 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Same way, 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y. So let us assume 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So in this case, what does this become? This becomes 1 by 2 into a, and this will become 1 by 3 into b. So the equation 1 will, here we write here equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 will reduce to a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2. Now let us simplify this. The LCM is 6. Here you get in the numerator 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. This gives us 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Let us take this as equation 3. Now this is a linear equation in two variables. The variables are a and b. Now let's reduce the second equation. What does the second equation become? It becomes a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Again, let's simplify it. In the numerator we get 2a plus 3b. This will be equal to 13 by 6. Here we get 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is equation 4. As you can see, this is also linear equation in two variables, the variables being a and b. Now let us solve equations 3 and 4 by elimination method. With equation 3 we multiply by 2 and equation 4 we multiply by 3. So what you get here now? We will get here 6a plus 4b is equal to 24, and this will give us 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. Now let us subtract both the equations. We get here minus 5b is equal to minus 15. b is equal to 3. Now substitute. b is equal to 3 in equation 3. What you get in equation 3? Which is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. That will give us 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. We have here 3a plus 6 equal to 12. That is 3a is equal to 6. A is equal to 2. Now we have got a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. But we have to find what is x and y. So now it is given to us here 1 by x equal to a, that is 1 by x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2. Same way it is given to us here 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. So a solution is x equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's do the second question, that is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. The next equation is 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. That's equation 1 and this is equation 2. As we can see, it is not linear equation, but we can reduce it to pair of linear equation with two variables. Now here, let us take 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. Now what do we get here? We get here 2 by root x can be written as 2 into 1 by root x. This is 2a. So here we get 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. This is the third equation. Next equation will be 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is the fourth equation. The third and the fourth equation, as you can see, is linear equation in two variables where the variables are a and b. Now let us solve equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. Now in this we will make the coefficient of b equal. Here we have got 3 and here we have got 9. So the third equation we will multiply by 3. So what do we get here? We get here 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Fourth equation remains as it is. Here we will get 10a. The b term will get eliminated. Here it is 5. A is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will substitute. A is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 3. Now in equation 3 we have got 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So it will come 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. You get 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. 3b is equal to 1. b is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have assumed 1 by root x is equal to a. That is 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Root of x equal to 2. Square both the sides, you will get x equal to 4. In the same way, 1 by root y is equal to b. That is 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. That is root y is equal to 3. Square both the sides, you will get y is equal to 9. So solution is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Now the fourth question. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the first equation. The second is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now here we will let 1 by x minus 1 equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So the first equation gets reduced to 5a plus b is equal to 2. Second equation gets reduced to 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now we will solve equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. Here we will make the coefficient of b equal. As you can see, here it is 1 and here it is 3. We multiply the third equation by 3. This will give us 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. Fourth equation will remain as it is. We will add both the equation. We will get here 21a. The b term will get eliminated is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 by 21, that is 1 by 3. Then let's find what is b. Substitute. A is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 4. Equation 4 is 6a, that will come 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b is equal to 1. Here it will get cancelled, we will get 2. So 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. Minus 3b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us go and find what is x and y. We have taken here 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, that is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. That gives us x minus 1 equal to 3, that is x equal to 4. Same way we have taken 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b, that is 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. That gives us y minus 2 is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So the solution is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now the sixth sum, it is given 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Here you can, in the first equation you can see 3 common. So we will take here common, you will get here 2x plus y is equal to 2xy. Now divide both the sides by xy, you will get here 2x plus y divided by xy is equal to 2xy divided by xy. This will give us 2x by xy plus y divided by xy. Here xy will get cancelled, you get 2. Here x and x will get cancelled, you get 2 by y plus 1 by x equal to 2. This is your first equation, we have simplified. Now the second equation also, let us divide both the sides by xy. What you get here? 2x by xy plus 4y by xy. Here xy cancels, you get 5. Here x and x will get cancelled, you get 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. We have simplified the second equation also. So now the two equation is of the form 2 by y plus 1 by x equal to 2, and the second one we got 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. 1 by y is equal to u and 1 by x equal to v. Now what we get? We get here 2u plus v is equal to 2. This is our third equation. Next equation will become 2u plus 4v is equal to 5. This is our fourth equation. We will solve this by elimination method. We will subtract both the equations. Here you will get minus 3v is equal to minus 3, that is v is equal to 1. Now substitute. V is equal to 1 in equation 3. What you get in equation 3 was 2u plus v, that is 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. This will give us 2u is equal to 1, u is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's find what is x and y. We have got here 1 by x equal to v, that is 1 by x equal to 1, therefore x equal to 1. And 1 by y, we took it as u, that is 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2, therefore y is equal to 2. Solution is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now the eighth question is given to us 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And the second equation is given us 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, now here we will be assuming let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. So the first equation reduces to a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiply, I'll get here 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is your third equation. Now second equation gets reduced to a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. What's LCM here? 2. Numerator we get a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8. We get here a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Cross multiply. You will get here 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This is your fourth equation. So now the two equations we got is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. We'll add both the equations. Here you will get 8a. The b term gets eliminated is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Now substitute. A is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 3. What's equation is 3? That is 4a, that is 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4b is equal to 2. 2 divided by 4 will be 1 by 2. Therefore, b is equal to 1 by 2. Now, what did we get? We got a is equal to 1 by 4 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Now, let's find x and y. Now, it is given to us 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a, that is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. That gives us 3x plus y is equal to 4. Now here we have got 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b, that is 1 by 3x minus y, b is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore we get 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now we have got another pair of linear equation. This will be solving by elimination method. What you get here? We got 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. We'll add both the equation. We will get here 6x, here this will get eliminated, is equal to 6, x equal to 1. Now substitute. X equal to 1 in the equation. 3x plus y is equal to 4. We get 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. This is 3 plus y is equal to 4. We get here y is equal to 1. Thus the solution is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.